I'm Fish. No microphone today. It's a walking vlog. Looking at kits for bicycles, that friction hub, and I'm thinking of a modification to the X5 that I do want to get out, and I got to set it up, but I want to be careful how I do it. It's a slow walk, taking my time because I did my mileage today, and I'm going to do my mileage walking today. So this kit, friction costs $3 and change, and the hub costs $6 and change. Almost $6 and change, because you could get one just with a thermos, water bottle, or the back seat package. It's hot, sunny, cloudy in the sky. Good times to set your camera up with a little heavier ISO and shutter speed. The talks about lens flare, they subsided. Exposure spikes took over, but nobody talks about that. Some beautiful flowers. Every time I start my camera with the quick capture, overexposure to correction, so I wait a couple of seconds. Well, it's time for me to about put away my camera. And when I head back out later, I start it up. What do I talk about? What will I remember where I left off? I don't know. Walking in a shaded area. Yes, indeed. Check the flowers out. I had to go get toothpaste and a toothbrush. Off I go. No more food. Out of business. They tore the place down. Want to come to a special event? Used to be Chinese food. No more. A lot of these places are closed. My 7-Eleven. Can't even get a Slurpee anymore. That's how bad it is. Oh, they turned it into a supermarket. There used to be a fruit place. Now it's a small supermarket. Even this store going out. Nothing stays anymore. I'm still waiting for my Cinnabon. Maybe Carvel. I doubt that place will be open. Well, this house has been on sale for the past 2 years. Finally, they sold. Well, I'm Fish. That's my second half of the vlog. See you on the next one. Well, get on going, get on out of here.